Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Facebook account. After you open up your Facebook account, next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon from the top right here. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on account center. The next thing you need to do is to go to password and security. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on two-factor authentication. Then select your Facebook account. Then take you right here. Select authentication app. What you want to do here is to simply turn off this icon. So click on here to turn it off. And this is going to pump up. Turn off authentication app. What you want to do is to come down below right here and click on turn off. And with that, you have successfully unlinked your Google Authenticator app from your Facebook two-factor authentication. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Facebook security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.